we just arrived in Omish and we start our walk through the city with a break because I want to talk to you a little bit to tell you about today's plan. And the first stop of the day is gonna be Mirabella Fortress, although we wanted to start with Stalingrad Fortress, which is a little bit higher. In order to reach it, you have to have a hike. There are 3 different routes. In case you're a hiker lover, just I will leave some links in the description box about this place, because we are not dressed properly for a hike. Although we love hiking, we said this time we're gonna pass it because we stay only 1 day and we want to see as many places as possible and stay at the beach as well. And today is not the day for a hike for us, but just so you know, you have this option if you want to see this fortress. Now we are going to Mirabella Fortress, one of the most iconic places here in Omish. Being already in the old town, we reached the fortress very quickly. There were just few stairs and then we were at the fortress. It looks like we have €5 per person the entrance, and you can pay only by cash. And this is the view from the back. Once we entered the fortress, we realized we have more stairs to go, but the views are absolutely captivating and definitely worth the climb. We arrived at the highest point of the fortress. I hope you can hear me because it's very noisy. There are lots of people here. And here is the view. Is the town. And this is the view over Cetina River that flows into the sea. Here's the view. One of the best views I've seen in Croatia so far. And this is how we came here. I don't know how I'm going to go back now. Mirabella Fortress is also known as Pevica Fortress, and it was built in the 13th century on 9th century Byzantine foundation. We took some photos here. There, as you can see far away, is the beach, which we're gonna stop at the end of the day. Here is the view to the city, the town. And I saw on this river there are some boats. I think you can have tours if you want by kayak or by boat. We're gonna see if we have time to do it ourselves as well. It looks like a fun activity to do. And now we are going back to the old center and see what else we can visit there. The stairs of this fortress are very steep. There were some areas where I was really scared of heights. Although I normally go on the mountains and I hike very often, somehow these stairs put me a little bit in trouble. I don't know why. Maybe my anxiety level is high today, or maybe they're very steep. I don't know exactly. But if you're afraid of heights, it might be a little bit tricky, but not difficult. Nothing too dangerous. I showed you earlier this church. There were people inside at the mass. There are lots of taverns and shops on these alleys. As you can see, all these houses are made of stone, and this one here is from 16th century. all the alleys look very nice. After visiting the fortress, we headed to the harbor for a boat trip on Cetina River. If you're interested about this kind of activity, but also lots of others that you can do in Omish, check the description box for the links. The boat tour we chose was absolutely amazing and definitely one of the best activities we had in Croatia. I totally recommend it. Everything was so green, it looked very quiet, and the water was so clear. Loved it. We have a 30 minutes break here. It's a restaurant. As you can see, this is how the river looks like. The water is crystal clear. Absolutely amazing. They have a restaurant here if you want to eat, but I don't know if the food is gonna come on time because we stay only 30 minutes and I don't think we have time to order and to eat as well. The ice cream doesn't look very well. We'll see what else we can have around here. After the boat tour, we went for lunch. I didn't have energy to film anything at that point, and afterwards we headed to the beach where we didn't stay because it was way too crowded for our taste. The water was so warm, absolutely perfect for swimming. Also the sand was fine and the entrance to the water very smooth. I think it was a great beach overall. And with this we finish our day in Omish and also this vlog. Thank you very much for watching and I see you guys with the next adventure.